Hi, my name is Kat and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thank you for joining us for this week's art class. We're going to be making crayon transfer drawings. For today's craft, you need a piece of construction paper, a piece of regular printer paper, crayons, and a pencil. The first thing we're going to do is take our crayons and draw really thick, heavy lines on the construction paper. We want to make sure that the wax from the crayons is on there nice and thick and bright and vibrant. It doesn't have to be any specific pattern at all. In fact, you probably don't want to make a pattern because we're going to use this as a tool. We're not going to see this piece at the end. This is just to make the rest of the picture. There we go. I think this looks pretty good. The next thing we want to do, put my crayons away, is take our plain piece of regular old paper here. This is just printer paper. We're going to put it right on top. And then whatever we draw is going to transfer the wax from the paper we drew on onto the back of this one. So let's see. Let's draw a rocket ship. We'll give it some fins and some fire flames coming out the bottom. Of course, you need a window for the astronauts to look out of. We'll put some stars. And I'm going to flip this over. Let's see. Look how nice and bright all of that came out. Everything we drew came out in the color that was on the paper underneath it. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. You can follow us here on YouTube for lots of other arts and crafts tutorials, or follow the library at Tewksbury LIB on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can also follow the Children's Room on Instagram and Twitter at Hardcover Turtle. Have a wonderful day.